Our today's video is about wooden plant holder and the pot ideas. We will going to show you some amazing design, and we are going to give you some tips how to utilize your scrap wood and your premium wood into a beautiful plant holder and the plant pots. Here we are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about wooden plant holder, so let's get started, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting video. Wooden plant holder and pots are a beautiful and a functional addition to any home or a garden. They add a warmth and natural charm to indoor and the outdoor spaces and can be customized to suit any decor style. With a little creativity and the do it by yourself, you can create a unique and eye-catching wooden plant holder and pot that will make your plant stand out. In this video we will explore some creative ideas for wooden plant holder and pot that you can easily make at home. Wooden crates are a versatile and inexpensive material that can be transformed into a charming plant holder. To make a rustic wooden crate planter, you will need a wooden crate, sandpaper, wood stand and the paint, or a plastic liner or the spot and the potting soil. First, sand the crate, remove the sharp edges of the splinters. Next, apply a coat of wood stain and the paint in the color of your choice and allow it to dry completely. Once the paint or stain is dry, line the crate with a plastic liner and insert a pot and add potting soil and the plants. You can use a single crate as a standalone planter or stack multiple crates to create a beautiful display. Hanging planters are a great way to add greenery to small spaces, and the wooden planter can add a natural touch to any decor. You make a hanging wooden planter, you will need a wooden hard or a plank, a saw drill, wood glue, rope or chain, and a plastic liner or the pot. First, cut the wooden board or the plank to the desired length and shape and sand the rough edges. Next, drill a hole at each end of the board, attach the rope to the chain, glue a plastic liner and insert a pot into a wooden board and add potting soil and the plants. Attach the rope to the chain to the hole in the board and hang the planter from sturdy loop to the bracket. Wooden boxes are a classic planter style that can be used indoor or outdoor. They can be made in any size or the shape and can be customized with paint or stain to match your decor. To make a wooden box planter, you will need wooden boards, a saw drill, wood glue, and the screws. First, cut the wooden boards to the desired shapes and the size of the box. Cut 4 boards for the sides and 2 boards from the bottom. Sand any rough edges or splinters and assemble the boards using wooden glue and the screws. Drill hole in the bottom of the box for drainage and add a plastic liner or insert a pot. Add potting soil and plants and place the planter in the sunny spot. Wooden barrels are rustic and a charming planter option for outdoor space. They can be used to plant flower, herbs, and even small trees. To make a wooden barrel plant, you will need a wooden barrel, a saw, drill, wood glue, and the screws. First, measure the mark and location for planting holes in the top of the barrel. Use a saw to cut the holes and sand any rough edges. Drill drainage holes in the bottom of the barrel and add a plastic liner or insert a pot. Add potting soil and paint and water as needed. Wooden planter benches are unique and a functional option for outdoor spaces. They provide a plant display in one and can be customized to match your decor. To make a wood planter bench, you will need wooden boards, a saw, drills, wood glue, screws, plastic pillars, and the spots. Hanging planter are a great way to add greenery to the small spaces, and wooden planter can add a natural touch to any home decor. To make a hanging wooden planter, you will need a wooden board or the plank, a saw drill, wood glue, rope, chain, and the plastic liner or the pots. First, cut the wooden board into different sizes and the shapes as you desire. You have to sketch your design on a paper with the pen or the ball pen. Then you have to go through your design. Next, drill a hole in the each size of the wooden boxes that you want to join with each other. So rough their edges with the splinters and paste. Apply a hot glue on it and paste them down and join them down. Then at the end of your struggle, you will find a beautiful product that you can spot this product at your home as well as, and you can sell it online and you can earn a handsome amount of money for your kitchen. These projects are made from, you can say that, scrap